Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today really quick with the second part of the DIY, and we're going to be making another pair of earrings. And so here are the objects, or here are the findings that you're going to need for this project. You're going to need a dowel. You're going to need two 8mm beads, but make sure that the beads that you use, make sure that the hole is big enough to fit on the 12-gauge aluminum wire. Okay, this 12-gauge aluminum wire that I'm using is 12 inches long. You're going to need a piece of 20-gauge wire. So you're going to need your wire cutters and your round nose pliers. And we're going to go ahead and get right into this video. Now I'm going to back it up a little bit. I got these pearl acrylic 8mm beads from Dollar General, just in case if anybody wants to know. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So basically what you want to do is you want to take, and y'all going to have to excuse my hands, I don't have any nail polish on today, okay? So basically what you want to do is you want to take your round nose pliers, you want to make a loop up at the top of your wire. And I'm going to go ahead and give it some indentation, just like this, squeezing it. And then I'm going to come up at the top, and I'm going to just bend it just like that. So this is pretty much what you should have. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to add on one of my pearls. I'm going to slide that all the way down. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start wrapping this. So I'm going to take and pinch my wire over to the side just like this. Hope you all can see. And then I'm going to wrap it a couple times, okay? And I'm sorry, y'all, you're going to need I gotta get it, a coil shell. Let me take one out. So you will definitely need a coil shell, okay? And I forgot to mention that. So I'm gonna just wrap this around like this. These are gonna be kind of sort of like an abstract look of an earring. Okay, so you want to roll it. So, and let me measure this so you all can know where to stop. You want to roll it down till about 4 inches. You want to roll it down till about 4 inches, okay? When you get to 4 inches, you want to stop. But this is what you have. Now you want to take your dowel and you just want to wrap this around your dowel just like this. Don't worry about it if it comes up or loose or anything like that. I'm gonna straighten it out. All right, wrap that around a couple times, and then you're gonna take this off. And we're just gonna bend that up like this. Okay. So this is pretty much what your earring is looking like. Now you want to take and you want to try to pinch, you want to try to put your wire in the center a little bit and bring it up. Just a little. Okay, let me show you. Like you want to try to bend it and put it in the middle just a little if you can, okay? And then I'm going to add on this right here, the second one. So I'm going to add that one on and bring that down. And this is pretty much the look of your earring. And then I'm going to pinch this piece over and I'm going to make a loop just like this. I'm going to squeeze it and give it some indentation. So this is the first part of our earring. Okay, so that's done. So now I'm going to go ahead and add on my coral shell. And I'm going to take my wire and bend it like this. Okay, y'all done see me do this about 1,000,001 times. Then I'm just going to slide this on to the top part of my loop up at the top. So I'm going to slide it on just like this and bring it down a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm going to take my round nose pliers, 3-in-1s, hold this over top, and I'm going to twist this a couple times, about 3 times. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now when I twist it 3 times, I'm going to take it back and it's going to be going to the side, because this piece is going to fit down in between the wire. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this piece, place it down inside the wire. Make sure that you squeeze it if at all possible. Make sure you squeeze it so that it goes down inside the shell, okay? Try to get it down in there, okay, as much as possible. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the back piece of your wire and you're going to wrap it around the front piece, and you're going to wrap it as many times as you see fit. So I'm going to do it maybe about 3-4 times, and I'll show y'all what I have. Okay, and that's what you're going to have. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut this extra piece off right there so that won't be in my way. So snip that off. Squeeze that in, and now I'm going to make a loop. So I'm going to make a loop just like this. All right, so that's our loop right there. Okay, and you know what? I didn't mention a fish hook. You will need a fish hook, y'all. I'm sorry. And I'm going to just take and wrap this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show y'all how to wrap it. I'm going to show y'all how to wrap it all the way down to make it look nice and neat. So basically, let me show you. So I'm going to start wrapping it up right here. It's like, I guess you could say it's double wrapping, but it's going to make it look nice and neat. Okay. I hope you all see what I'm doing. I'm just wrapping it around now. I hope you can see how neat that is. And all you do is you just continue to wrap around, and then I'm going to bring this to the back and snip this off like that, and that way it's nice and neat. Okay. And the very last thing that we have to do with these earrings is we have to add on our fish hook. So let's add on our fish hook. And you have yourself a really cute pair of earrings. Now these are different. These are different, simple, unique, and you won't see anybody with these. Okay, so this concludes the second of the me showing you all how to make and create the earring. Wire, y'all, you can do so much with wire, but I'm not gonna go ahead. Actually, yeah, almost 10 minutes. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial or DIY or how to make whichever one you want to call it. And please do me a favor and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And if this is your very first time on this here platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is somewhere. Hit the all bell button, and the all bell button is whenever I upload a video, you'll get a notification. Okay, so I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next video, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.